Hi everyone, it is Sunday, August 1st, and it's Elaine here with another construction update for you all. Last month we had a very busy July. All of the homes that are highlighted here in this darker black or gray color, these are all closed, as well as the first two homes that are on Angus Drive. Another message that I sent out to you is the estimated closing date. So I have them highlighted and color coded based on the month that these properties are closing. So as far as we've gone out is out here. These homes are now estimated to close November 11th. So if you have a home that is not highlighted, we just know at this time that it should be after November 11th. I will communicate with you more details as I get them. Here on Angus Drive now, what you'll see is the first two homes I mentioned are closed. As far as the rest of the street here, these homes are in finals. Some of them we have brick on already. Some we're still awaiting brick and driveways. We did have a delay as far as the brick arriving, and that's what pushed some of these delivery dates out as far as the completion of these homes. So this is Angus and McCoy. So these are the homes that are on McCoy. This is coming down Chillingham here. So these homes that are on the right hand side here on Chillingham, they are also nearly complete. As far as the interior, they have carpets, countertops, cabinets as well. And these are estimated to close in September. So this is Killam. Got these homes that are all in framing now. And the next set of 32 homes following this, we've gotten starts on them. Basically what's happening now is the lots are getting prepped like this. Forms are being built so that the foundations can be poured on all of these lots here.